Welcome to Saas Beast Pro. Today we're exploring 7 hidden ChatGPT tricks for Windows that change everything, revealing secret features that can dramatically speed up your workflow and boost your creativity. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Master the / command menu. The / command menu is your gateway to ChatGPT's hidden powers, letting you access tools instantly, save time, and work smarter on Windows. Mastering it is the first step to transforming how you use ChatGPT. Alright, here's how it's done. Step 1. Open ChatGPT and ensure you're logged into your account for full feature access. Step 2. Click into the message bar and type a /, which activates the hidden command menu. Step 3. Browse through the quick access menu and familiarize yourself with all available commands. Each one has a unique function. Step 4. Use our deep search to find more precise, in-depth results faster than a normal query. Step 5. Try DAL to instantly refresh and generate creative images directly in ChatGPT. Step 6. Experiment with advanced creative tools like Create Image, Think, or Study and Learn for structured clarity and innovative outputs. Number 2. Check your default voice settings. This step is crucial because picking the right voice transforms your ChatGPT experience, making interactions feel more natural, engaging, and personalized. It sets the tone for all your conversations and improves clarity and enjoyment. Alright, let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open ChatGPT on your desktop browser and click your username in the bottom left corner to access the settings menu, where all customization options are neatly organized. Step 2. Within the settings window, scroll to the General section and find the Voice option, which controls how ChatGPT communicates with you. Step 3. Click the drop-down menu next to Voice to explore the variety of voice options available, each offering a distinct style and tone. Step 4. Select the voice you prefer, then hit play to listen to a sample, ensuring it matches your desired sound and personality for interactions. Step 5. Once you've confirmed your choice, close the settings. There's no need to save manually, as your new voice is applied instantly, ready for every conversation. Number 3. Clear all conversations at once. Permanently deleting all your ChatGPT conversations helps maintain privacy and keeps your workspace organized, ensuring no old chats clutter your interface or risk exposing sensitive information. It's a key step for efficient account management. Let's do it. Steps. Step 1. Log into ChatGPT on your browser at chatgpt.com. This gives you full access to all account settings and chat management features. Step 2. Open the left menu by clicking the icon in the bottom left corner. This reveals options for individual chats and your account settings. Step 3. Click your username at the bottom of the left menu, then select Settings. This takes you to the main account management area. Step 4. In Settings, go to Data Controls. This section allows you to manage your chat history and privacy preferences. Step 5. Select Delete All Chats and confirm your choice. Remember, this action is permanent and cannot be undone, completely clearing your chat history. Step 6. Check the left menu to see that all chats have been removed. Your workspace is now clean, organized, and fully private. Number 4. Quickly edit previous prompts. Sometimes your first prompt doesn't capture exactly what you're looking for, or you might notice a missing detail that could change the output entirely. Being able to edit previous prompts instantly not only saves you valuable time, but also keeps your workflow smooth, efficient, and completely under your control. This feature ensures your interactions with ChatGPT remain precise, accurate, and aligned with your goals. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to do it effectively. Step 1. Scroll through your chat history carefully and find the exact prompt you want to refine. Take a moment to review it, so you understand what changes are needed to improve the response. Step 2. Move your cursor slowly over that prompt until the Edit Pencil icon appears. Click it to open the editing interface. This small action unlocks the ability to reshape your prompt entirely, giving you more control over the results. Step 3. A text box will appear where you can tweak, expand, or completely rewrite your prompt. You can add extra details, clarify instructions, or adjust the tone to get a more accurate, helpful, and tailored response from ChatGPT. Step 4. Once you're satisfied with your changes, press Enter or click the Send button. ChatGPT will instantly generate a fresh, updated response based on your improved prompt, making your workflow faster, smarter, and much more effective. Number 5. Open ChatGPT in a new window. This simple trick transforms ChatGPT into a standalone app, completely removing browser distractions and helping you stay focused. It makes accessing ChatGPT faster, smoother, and far more convenient for your daily workflow. All right, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Go to chatgpt.com and log into your account as you normally would, making sure you're fully signed in. Step 2. Click the three-dot icon located in the top right corner of your browser window to open the full menu of options. Step 3. Hover over Cast, Save, and Share and then click Create Shortcut from the drop-down menu that appears. Step 4. Give your new shortcut a clear, recognizable name, like ChatGPT, so you can find it easily on your desktop. Step 5. Finally, click Create to complete the process. You'll now see a new shortcut on your desktop, giving you instant, distraction-free access to ChatGPT anytime you need it. Number 6. Use Shift+. Enter for new lines. Writing neatly in the chat box makes your messages clearer, more readable, and professional. This trick prevents accidentally sending unfinished thoughts while keeping everything organized and improving workflow efficiency. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Click into the chat box and start typing your message. Think of it like drafting your text before sending. Get your ideas flowing first. Step 2. Position your cursor where you want a line break within your text. Step 3. Press Shift+, Enter instead of just Enter to create a new line without sending the message. Step 4. Repeat Shift+, Enter for multiple line breaks whenever you need extra spacing. Step 5. Review your message to make sure all lines are structured exactly how you want before hitting send. Number 7. Navigate chats with history. Keeping track of past conversations helps you quickly resume projects and reference previous ideas, saving time and boosting productivity. This feature ensures you never lose important context or information. All right, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Click the ChatGPT icon or menu icon in the top left corner to open the sidebar. This is your gateway to all past conversations. Step 2. Browse through the list of conversations, with the newest ones appearing at the top. This allows you to quickly locate recent chats. Step 3. Click any conversation to open it and continue right from where you left off. This ensures a seamless workflow without losing context. Step 4. Use the search bar within the sidebar to find specific chats by typing in relevant keywords. This makes locating old discussions fast and efficient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips.